Average bullets kill sales. Here's a live walkthrough to fix them fast. So if we're looking at a listing, there's different types of listings, right? So there's listings with good bullet points, and we can see right here, this listing has really good bullet points in my professional opinion. And then you have listings that have bullet points that they're okay, right? They could be better. And that's going to be this one right here. You can see this listing, their bullet points are just okay. They're not amazing. They're not phenomenal, but they are pretty solid, right? Solid. And then we have bullet points that are just terrible. And that's going to be the ones that look like these. And this is the product that we're going to be optimizing today. But of course, before you work on your own bullet points, what you want to do is have a checklist, right? I love checklists because then you do it the same way every single time. And it's just like a little recipe. And first thing you want to look at on your own bullet points is, are your bullet points 450 to 500 characters each? You want to really be checking your character count and making sure that they are optimized and try to fill them in as much as possible. Now, some categories can have 10 bullet points. So if your category can have 10 bullet points, or it lets you add 10 bullet points, then add that in. You'll notice when you edit your listing, you'll just see more, add more after 5. If it stops and it says remove, then you know you can only add 5. But if it keeps saying add more, hey, add 10 bullet points. That's going to help your SEO. Do the first 5 bullet points add real customer benefits, right? The customer doesn't want to just hear about your item. They also want to hear about the benefits. That's the biggest thing for the customer. What are the benefits of the product? Are the bullet points SEO optimized with little to no repeats? This happens a lot as well, where maybe your bullet points sound great, but you look at your bullet points and you find out that there's tons of repeats, right? So if you are selling, this is like a forearm strengthener, right? And you put the word forearm strengthener in your title 5 times in your bullet points, 10 times in your description. It's like there's no point of adding all of those keywords in that are the exact same, right? So just put it in your title, maybe put it 3 times in your bullet points. You don't want to have it happening so darn much because it's not going to help you. It won't hurt you, it just won't help you. Use Helium 10, right? I love Helium 10. Check it out. There's a free trial in the description and you can just run it through. And then don't forget about Grammarly. You'll be surprised if you just do Grammarly or you're using AI, it might not be very, very good. So you just want to be going through a little bit of a checklist, right? And if we go into Helium 10 right here, we can go into tools and then we can go into the tool called Cerebro and Magnet. So if we go into Cerebro, the easiest thing you can do is just look at your top competitor. So let's say this is our competitor and it's a training aid. Put that ASIN in, copy it, go back to Cerebro, paste that ASIN in, and then we can actually see what keywords they're ranking for. So we'll say I already did a search on this. Scroll down, and we can see the actual keywords that they're ranking for, and we can get the search volumes. Let's filter it by the highest search volume. So if we can rank for the keyword tennis racket, Moonball is getting 18,000 searches a month. And this is keywords that this competitor is actually ranking for. Golf training aid. That's a little bit weird that they're ranking for that, but hey, whatever. Tennis training day, tennis racket grip tape. I think it's pronounced paddle, which is it's like another version of tennis. Tennis ball machine. Look, so these are the keywords they're ranking for. And these are hard to guess. You can't just guess them. But what I'm saying is if you can put something like this, like the word moonball, if it's not trademarked, I'll have to double check. But if it's not, I don't believe it is. No, it's not. So if you can put this keyword in your bullet points, right? And say, you can also use a moonball with this device. That is going to help you be seen because you can get potentially an extra 18,000 searches a month. That's why bullet points come in handy because every step, every keyword makes a difference. And we have version 1. So this is actually the version 1 right here. This is their bullet points. We took everything in their listing that we could find, looked at all of their images, and then we're like, okay, let's make a version. And we made version number 1, and this is it, right? So version number 1, we're looking at it, and it's definitely better, right? So adjustable height for personalized training, durable, double spring steel construction. Again, I got that from one of the photos. That is double spring. equipped with high quality spring steel and a double spring system. So it kind of explains the product, but right from the beginning, it's lacking benefits, right? People do care it's adjustable, but they want to see the bullet points as well, like the benefits, like what the heck why am I buying this special tennis trainer? What's it going to do for me? So it lacks benefits. Also, the sizing's in centimeters. So we looked at the listing and everything was in centimeters. So we put it in centimeters. And then it's lacking letter count. So it only has 327 letters. And we want it to be around 450 letters to 500. So definitely in the right direction, but it's going to throw customers off with the centimeters and it doesn't have any benefits. So then now we're like looking at it and we looked at our top competitor a little bit more. So we looked at this listing and we saw how they wrote it. They had like these cool emojis. They're generating a lot of sales. I'm like, okay, maybe we can base ours off of theirs. Obviously, our device is different, but just kind of model it. The letter count was still too short and we still had centimeter in there, but it looks better and it has benefits. Master your game without a partner. Develop muscle memory fast. The trainer's high quality spring steel system provides consistent ball rebound, helping you repeat strokes hundreds of times. So it says like how high quality the product is, right? Right here, the trainer's high quality spring steel system provides consistent ball rebound. It tells you what the product does and gives the benefit. That's what you want to do in your bullet points, right? And it still has centimeter. Then we've got the final version, and we just dropped the emojis because I'm iffy on emojis. Sometimes it works, but you can see master your game without a partner. And this is extremely detailed. It's got inches now. Develop muscle memory fast, personalized training for any player, portable, stable, and ready. So the benefits at the beginning, develop muscle memory fast, are right there and right there for you to succeed on Amazon. So making sure you can follow the checklist and really slowly make your versions better. It's not going to take one version. It's going to take multiple versions of coming back, and it will take at least an hour, even for a very experienced Amazon seller, to make really good bullet points from scratch like we did. Now, if you put your listings into Cerebro, right, and you come here, again, you can start adding some of these really, really good keywords in your bullet points. Just make sure you're not just completely keyword stuffing. But yes, you could use the product with a moonball. Put that in. It's going to give you that extra SEO juice. So make sure you're doing that. And then you can also do tools magnet, put it into magnet, and find other keywords, high volume search keywords that are relevant to your own item, like tennis training aid. Put that in, and it's going to give you other keywords that you can use in your bullet points. And that's just going to give pretty much your bullet points an extra SEO boost. You should be doing this as well at the end, and that's a part of the checklist. Now, if you don't know where to start, or if you need more than bullet points, we can do a free listing audit for you. Just go to the description, go to ehpconsultinggroup.com, click on free listing audit. Then we'll do a free listing audit for you. Just go through this, write it out. You'll receive an email from our team, and we're going to look at all of your top competitors, how much money they're making per month, all the top improvements of your listing, right? And that way you can at least get an expert's opinion that's unbiased, unlike your friends and family, that will tell you what your listing needs to increase sales and convert. And that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, then comment below. And if you like the video, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like bullet points, SEO, copywriter, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you with everything Amazon. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management, where we manage your inventory, customer service, run your ads, deal with Amazon support, and most importantly, grow your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day doing SEO. We'll do it for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.